Hello everyone.
The religious leaders in KwaZulu-Natal sent a message to the Electoral Commission of South Africa threatening that they will shut the country for good and reject the IEC outcomes if they don't give MK Party a 2/3 majority. A pastor named by the party as V Malu, said to be presenting some religious and traditional leaders, took the stage at MK rally and said if the 2024 elections don't give MK Party and Malala a 2/3 majority and the ANC remains in power, we are going to close South Africa for good. We want to say to the IEC, you better do it the right way or we are coming for you. People gathered in KwaXamba near Cattle Ridge outside Durban as former President Jacob Zuma addressed the crowd. He said the MK Party is the only party that they should vote for if they want change for the better. The former president asked pastors to pray so that the party achieves a 2/3 majority to fix land of our ancestors. Zuma has been campaigning for the new political formation and said he would vote for the party but remain an ANC member. The ANC National Executive Committee on Monday suspended Jacob Zuma's ANC membership. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.